Hello and welcome. Do you know that you can store unlimited data inside your S3 bucket? You can store file size of up to 5 TB inside S3 bucket. But while you are uploading any object into the S3 bucket, it cannot be more than 5 GB. Now here we have one question. They are saying that you can store up to 5 TB file inside S3 bucket, but while you are uploading this, the size cannot be more than 5 GB. So if they are not allowing me to upload more than 5 GB of data at a time, how I can create file of 5 TB inside my S3 bucket? Confusion, right? But you don't need to worry about this because you are going to get answer of all your question in this particular video. Let's understand multi-part upload. We are going to understand this topic using 3 chapters. Chapter 1 is Introduction of S3 Multipart Upload. Chapter 2, How Multipart Upload Works. And of course, chapter number 3 is Live Practical of Multipart Upload. So let's start with the chapter number 1, Introduction of S3 Multipart Upload. Here I have 7 steps to explain this. First, upload large files by breaking them into the smaller parts. Yes, you can split files, then you can upload each and every split of file and then you can reassemble them. So multipart is actually allowing us to upload chunks of files at a time. If you have files size more than 5 GB, then you have only this particular option to upload file because AWS not allowing you to upload file size more than 5 GB. So you can split your files and then you can upload each and every chunks of your file and then you can reassemble them. Because AWS supports up to 5 TB file. So if you have 1 TB file, you can divide them chunks of less than 5 GB. You have multiple chunks, then you can upload them and you can get 5 TB file inside your S3 bucket. Parts can be uploaded in parallel, which will increase your uploading speed as well. So when you split your file, you can upload all these chunks, but it is not a limitation over there to upload 1 chunks at a time. You can upload multiple split of your file at a time. Individual part can be retried if they fails and improve the upload efficiency and reliability. Essential for environment with the unstable network conditions. If you have internet problem and if you are going to upload large file, after 80% of upload, if you found that there is a problem in your internet connection, then you will be in trouble. You have to upload the whole file again. Here you don't need to do this. So this is like one of the best advantage to go with the multi-part upload, and specifically if you have file size larger than 5 GB, you have only this particular option. I hope you understand the idea and why we need to use this multi-part upload. Now we are going for the chapter number 2, How Multi-Part Upload Works. This is the most important part of the learning because you have to understand the whole process first, and based on this we are going for the lab. So here we have 5-step process. First of all, we have to start our uploading process and we have to get one upload ID. Now upload ID is the most important part of this process because here how the system will find out that you are uploading all these files, all these parts from the same file. So you have to specify upload ID. So yes, system can understand that okay, you have all these parts part of this specific upload ID. Then upload the file parts, upload the file chunks with the specific upload ID. It is always best practice to have minimum 5 MB of size of each chunks, and if you have a last file, it can be less than 5 MB. Each part upload return the E tag used to track the part. So you have to get this E tag. Now once you will upload each chunks of file, you will get this E tag, and we will note down this as well. So if we found any issue, then we can upload specific file with the help of E tag. Send a request with the upload ID and part detail to assemble the file. First of all, we are going to get upload ID, then we are uploading all the chunks of file, and then we are going to reassemble this file. All this can be done using AWS CLI. Yes, as we are using CLI, you will find out little bit complex, but you don't need to worry because I am going to provide you all the step-by-step commands to understand or to perform lab of this. Optionally, about the upload or stop and clean the partial uploaded parts. So if you decided that okay, I have just uploaded 5 parts, now I don't want to upload remaining part, you can clean this as well. So this is like a 5-step process. Now you will get better understanding when you will perform lab. Here in the chapter number 3, we are going to create multi-part upload. Now the first question we have is how I am going to split my file. Let's say that in my computer I have one file in the download folder, it is my video. For testing this lab, we are going to use this myvideo.mp4. This is 200 MB size and I want to split this file. Because once I will split this, I will get chunks of files and then I am going to upload this. So the question over here is how I am going to split this file. You don't need to worry about this. Let me tell you how we are going to split this file. So here we have 2-step process. The first step we have is to use a 7-zip software. You know, I am using Windows system. If you are using Linux system, we have a split command as well. But I am using Windows system, so we have to go through the software. And it is a free to use software, so you can go to Google and find out the 7-zip software, download this and install this in your computer. Here I have 7-zip already installed, so I am going to open this. Now here I have this particular location in which my video is there. You can add over there and you can choose the location of your video. So I have the same location, so I am going to use this. Okay. Now once you will get this file, like I want to split this file, so you have to select this file and you have to click on add. Now here it is going to tell you like what will be the archive format, and you have to provide split to the volume. Now here you can split from 10 MB to all this size. It is up to you like how you are going to upload this. What I am doing, I am going to divide this file into the 100 MB chunks. So there will be chunks of 100 MB of this file. Let's say that if it is a 300 MB, I will get 3 chunks. I have 200 MB almost, so I am going to get 2 chunks because it is going to compress the file as well. And the final will be a zip file. So now let me click on OK. See, it is actually going to compress my file and then it is going to divide this. So when you are going to compress the file, then the file size will be less than 200. Okay, and then the 2 chunks are only requirement. So here I got these 2 chunks, and if you look at this, this is the size of my each chunks. So now I got my file and I have both chunks ready. Then I am going to upload. So now let's start with the step number 2. Now before I am going to start this particular step, I want you to understand that we have to set up this using command prompt and AWS CLI. So you have to install AWS CLI and then you can log into AWS CLI by giving command AWS configure. Here I have my key and everything is already there, so I am going to use this. If you don't know about this, you can go to your account, you can go to the security credential, you can generate your key over there. Okay, and then by giving AWS configure, you have to enter all this detail. I already added this. Another thing is we must have S3 bucket because we have to provide bucket destination. So here I don't have any bucket, so going to the bucket and going to create this bucket for my multi-part. Let's say that my video. Let me give another name because multiple my video name will confuse you. So let's say that studio 01. Then I am able to get this name. So studio 01 is my bucket name. So everything is ready. We are now already logged in with AWS CLI. We have our bucket ready as well. As I explained you that how this particular process works, we have to get upload ID first. So here, by giving this command, we are going to get our upload ID. Note down the upload ID from the response. So I'm going to copy this and here I'm going to paste this. But before I'm going to paste this, what I'm doing, I'm going to the location of my bucket. So let me go to the download. Then I have my video and here I have, here I have the files and everything. So now I am inside the folder in which I have all the files. Actually I have bad habit to use Linux system. So I am just giving ls and clear command, which is used with the Linux. Okay, so let's paste this. Now here we have AWS S3 API, create multi-part upload, bucket name, your bucket name. Let me verify this again. Here we have bucket name. Let me copy this. Yes, Studio 01. And what will be the name of your file? You can choose any file name. It is up to you. But as we have myvideo.mp4, so I'm going to give this name. You can give any name here. Okay, this will be the display name when you will upload the object. So done. This is the first command, and this command will give me upload ID. So this is upload ID. Now whenever I will upload any subsequent chunks, I have to provide this upload ID. So S3 can understand that okay, you are uploading all this part as a part of this upload ID. Now it is done. My first task is done and dusted. Now we have to upload each part. So here we can, using this command, we can upload this. After uploading each part, it is going to provide you e tag. I want to tell you that you can upload all this part in parallel as well. So you can open multiple command prompt and you can start each and every part chunks upload process simultaneously. Okay, here I am going to paste this first. Now here AWS S3 API upload part. Now my bucket name, we have all this written over here. Bucket name is Studio 01. Make sure that you are writing all this correctly. So my video.mp4. Yes, we are uploading this part 1 and here I have to provide part 1 file. So what I am doing, let me go to the folder and here we have my video part 1. So I am just going to copy the name. I am just going to use copy paste because I want you to make no mistake. Okay, and then we have upload ID. We already copied this and we have this over here as well. Do not forget to include this quote as well, double quote, right? So this is done and now let me enter. We are just uploading first part. If you are not getting any error, so everything is good, you have to wait. Why? Because right now actually it is uploading my 100 MB file. So once the upload will be successful, it will give you e tag ID. So in this case, if you have any error in the command syntax, you will get it immediately. But if you are not getting anything, it means it is taking time to upload your file. If you want to start uploading parallel, you can also do this. But the most important part is do not forget to assign this part number. Okay. So yeah, this is done. Now my first part is done. Now in order to upload the second part, I have to change these two things. Sorry, I know that you want to watch full video, but full video is now not available on YouTube. If you want to watch full video, I want you to go to our website. When you will go to our website, you will find out our course 100 Days YouTube Challenge. I want you to enroll for this course by paying only 499 rupees for lifetime if you are from India. If you are from outside of India, you just need to pay $7 US. Once you will enroll to this course, you are going to get all full videos, over there on our portal. You are also going to get certificate after completing the course, and we have just uploaded 120 videos. We are going to upload another 120 videos as well. So there will be total 240 videos. I hope we are going to meet inside the class. Thank you very much.